Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this video, we will walk you through the essential functions of Labii equipment scheduling to streamline your lab operations. Labii equipment scheduling is your ultimate solution for managing laboratory equipment reservations and scheduling. Labii equipment scheduling simplifies the process of reserving and managing laboratory equipment. Say goodbye to scheduling conflicts and wasted time searching for available equipment. To begin, you'll need to install the inventory management application. To get started, let's add an equipment record in Labii. Click the Sections tab to view all the details of availability schedule in the Scheduling section. Labii presents the scheduling in both calendar view and list view, enhancing efficiency and providing an easy way to review equipment schedules. To schedule equipment usage, simply click on Add Equipment Usage. Supply the experiment details, username, as well as the start and finish times. As you can observe, the newly scheduled events are visible in both the calendar and the list view. You also have the option to directly schedule equipment from the calendar. Labii provides an intuitive calendar interface for this purpose. User information, along with the start and end times, are automatically inserted into the form for your convenience. When planning an experiment, you often need to use multiple pieces of equipment. Labii makes it easy to schedule all the equipment you need in one go. I will begin by creating a single experiment. To schedule equipment usage, simply click on Add Equipment Usage. You can also utilize the Scan button to simultaneously scan one or more pieces of equipment. In summary, Labii equipment scheduling streamlines the reservation and scheduling of laboratory equipment, ensuring efficient lab operations. With Labii, you can easily view equipment schedules, add equipment usage, select date and time, and schedule equipment for experiments with ease. Say goodbye to scheduling hassles and start optimizing your lab operations today. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.